Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to change your display name on Discord using your Android device. Whether you're looking to freshen up your profile or create a brand new identity for your online gaming adventures, it's quick and easy to do. Let's dive in. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. If you haven't already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials so you can access your account. Once you're in the app, look for your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to enter your user settings. Next, you'll see various options related to your account. Go ahead and tap on Edit Profile. This is where the magic happens. Now, under the Display Name section, you can make your changes. Simply erase your current name and type in your new desired display name. Make sure it's something you love and reflects your personality. After you've made your changes, don't forget to hit that Save button located in the top right corner of the screen. This is crucial, as it ensures your new display name is updated and visible to your friends and gaming buddies. And that's it. You've successfully changed your display name on Discord. Enjoy your new identity and connect with your friends in style. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on how to enhance your Discord experience. Thanks for watching and happy chatting.